If you love education and you want to go into any part of education or anything to do with children, this is a great jump start to that world. This program is unique in that we learn through play. Our preschoolers are playing and learning, while our high schoolers are learning through their interactions, observations, and projects building on their theory.
This program has helped me reach my goals by teaching me that it's not just about being a teacher, it's about learning your students and knowing that it's more than just learning your ABCs and 1, 2, 3s. It's about learning who they are as a student and how they can better learn.
The best part about this program, I think, is the internship, and your senior year you go out and you really get to experience the classroom and how being a teacher works in real life.
I chose to attend this program because I've always wanted to work with children. I always loved working with children, but I really wanted to go more in depth about how they learn and how they develop. I think the best part about being in this program is just being with people who have the same interests as you and really want to help you and want to do what you want to do in the future.
I have seen my students excel in so many ways, whether it be their creativity, their passion for education alone, their empathy, their patience, and just their excitement when the preschoolers come walking through the door and they're able to work with them.